Hello guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to our channel. It's good to see you all again. It's been a month since last time I introduced you a new product. Today, our star is still the same, DT8 Ultra Max. It comes with a lot of amazing updates, which I'm going to unveil today. Before we dive into the unveiling of the new features, DT1 has some big news to announce. DT1 and Tuya Smart have signed an agreement for in-depth collaboration in all aspects. In the future, DT1 smartwatches will be able to quickly control anything connected to electricity and the internet. Stay tuned for more updates. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, the obvious improvement of DT8 Ultra Max is the brand new UI, with a customizable drop-down menu and a function hub. The customizable drop-down menu is a user-friendly design. With this feature, users can list the most frequently used functions on the list, which makes the watch much easier for them to use. The other improvements in UI is the function hub, with a brand new interface and the most practical features on the page. When the watch is on the main interface, users can swipe right on the screen to enter the function hub feature, where a variety of useful functions can be found. DT1 improves the performance of DT8 Ultra Max wholeheartedly. This watch is the first one in the DT1 smartwatch family to launch the feature App Store in the Wearpro app. Why do we want to add this feature to the app? That's because we learned that many users used to feel annoyed when trying to find targeted apps through a long menu list. Actually, some functions that users don't frequently use can be removed and can be downloaded when users need them, so we added this feature to Wearpro as a great way to improve the user experience. For example, users can go to the App Store to find apps that they are interested in, then download them in their smartwatches. DT1 will continue to update the App Store with more exciting apps. Another great improvement of DT8 Ultra Max is in the watch face, with two new customizable features, the album watch face and the animated watch face. The album watch face feature enables users to upload several of their favorite pictures to Wearpro to create an album. Users can select the font and position of the time on the watch screen and push the album to the watch to use it as the watch face. When the watch has done syncing, users can click the screen to alter the picture shown on the watch face, which is so cool. Hold on, if the album watch face feature excites you, then the animated watch face will change your impression of affordable smartwatches. We all have interesting and memorable videos saved on our smartphones, and DT8 Ultra Max allows you to use a short video clip to create an animated watch face. This feature will entertain you every time you light up the screen. Another great improvement of watch face is that the inbuilt watch faces come in with authentic functional icons on them, which are clickable, enabling users access to the corresponding functions immediately. Additionally, we added a real-time compass to the compass watch face, which can direct you anytime. Okay, that's all for the DT8 Ultra Max upgrade. What do you think of the new features? Let us know in the comment sections down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please give us a thumbs up and follow us to stay updated on the latest news about DT1 and our products. There are more exciting updates to come. I'm Johnny. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.